guys, welcome back to another Joe Mueller frozen food review. Today, I was in my local market and saw this. Coconut chicken korma. Roasted chicken, coconut sauce with cumin basmati rice. Always made from scratch. Up next, stay tuned. All right, for those of you that are interested, here are your nutritional facts and your cooking instructions. All right, let's see what this looks like in all of its frozen glory. Never had coconut chicken korma before. Looking forward to it. And there it is, guys, in all of its frozen glory. All right, I'm going to get this in the microwave for the prescribed time, and then we'll be right back to give it a shot. All right, guys, so this is just right out of the microwave, and it says to give it a little bit of a mixy mix, which I'm doing. Actually, what I'm going to do is, so that you guys see full disclosure, I'm going to add some of this beautiful rice to sop up some of this beautiful smelling fragrant sauce. All right, one more minute and we'll be right back to give it a shot. All right, and here it is right out of the microwave, and it smells absolutely freaking delicious, guys. All right, it is lava hot. I'm going to let this cool for a few minutes, and then we will be right back to give this a shot. Check out the size of that freaking chicken. Nice. All right, guys, this has been cooling a little bit. It absolutely smells delicious. I just had to go in and try it. So look at these chunks of chicken. But let me try it first. Well, actually, let me try it first with a little bit of rice and a little bit of this sauce, which smells dreamy. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. That is freaking perfect. And I just forked the chicken, and it went through like butter. Okay, here we go. That is freaking fantastic. I love chicken korma. Wow. This is really good, guys. I love this. Boy, oh boy. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the very best, I'm rocking this out at a solid 9.5. I am like so impressed with the tenderness and the flavor and the way it's just perfuming my whole freaking face and nostrils and taste buds. Wowee, guys. Here's another piece of chicken. Look at the size of the chicken you get. You know what? Guys, I'm revising my score. This is a 10 plus knock it out of the park hit. If you guys are lucky enough to see this, definitely check it out. I promise you, you will love it. It tastes like it was made from scratch. It actually says that right on the package, that it's always made from scratch. And this indeed tastes so fresh. I honestly can't believe this was frozen. All right, guys, from the home studio in Hicksville, that is indeed a total wrap. Take care. God bless. So long.